Good morning, traders, and welcome to the daily call today, Friday, the 4th of October. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Okay, let's have a look at what's happened in yesterday's markets. There wasn't much data releases due out at all. In fact, it was only the non-manufacturing PMI number, which came in at 52.6 from the US. US dollar, not much movement. I think the market is in anticipation of non-farm payrolls, which are tonight, but I'll talk about that in one moment. So that was all that's happened yesterday. So let us just jump straight into our chart of the day. For those of you who took that breakout trade yesterday, it's on its way towards the target areas, and we'll just monitor that one as it tracks along and just see how it plays out. But this morning, the chart that I have found is a CHF JPY on a daily timescale, and we can see here this looks like a potential double bottom. For it to be a double bottom, we would need to see the market price from this region here bounce and push up. So typically with a double bottom, I won't just trade off the level, because if that in fact just continues to go down, then when you look back at this chart, it's not a double bottom at all. So at the very least, what I need is a price action reversal to occur here. I've highlighted these two candles. The little blue one is this morning's candle. It's about 2 hours into formation. So what I need is for the candles, if they remain as I'm showing them right now, that would be an inside candle, that would be a reversal pattern, and then we would be able to take that on Monday morning. So let's see if we can actually confirm the reversal. Once we confirm the reversal, then this would be a valid trade for us. So this morning, CHF JPY daily timescale is our chart of the day. All right, what's on the agenda for the last session of the week? We have this morning at 11:30 from Australia. We have our retail sales number due. At 10:30 this evening from Canada, they have the trade balance due out. Then at 10:30, again at the same time from the US, it's non-farm payrolls, where we have the employment change, the employment rate, and the average hourly earnings. For those of you who are newer to the market, this is perhaps the Super Bowl of data releases. It tends to attract the most participants into the market, and the volatility can be quite hectic. So if you don't want to get caught up in this news release tonight, make sure that you're not on a US pair, because it can be quite volatile. So that happens at 10:30 tonight. And if you are new, I highly suggest that at least look at a chart and just watch what happens, so that you start to get a feel for it and a better understanding of non-farm payrolls. The last bit of data happens at 4 a.m. It's from the US again, and it's Fed Chair Powell is due to speak. That pretty much wraps up the session and the week. Guys, as always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day. Have a great weekend, and I will talk to you actually on Tuesday, because we have a long weekend here in Australia. So I'll speak to you on Tuesday. Bye for now.